Hello friends, my name is Kaushik and you are watching Couple on Wheels. In this video, we talk about the step-by-step process to get your VAT refund. What are the items on which you VAT refund as well as who is eligible for the VAT refund? Let's talk about this. First thing, what you need to do is, whenever you're going for shopping, you need to inform retailer that you're gonna claim the VAT and present your travel documents like passport. Once you do that, the retailer will enter your information into the digital tax-free system to issue a VAT refund claim and place a small sticker like this on the back of your original bill receipt. Next, how to validate your goods. When you go for departure, before checking your luggage, you need to go this green color counter and present there all the original receipts whichever you shop during the stay. So, usually you get the refund only those items which you have taken with you outside the UAE. Once the validation is done, you need to choose the mode of payment, which could be either cash or credit. In case of the cash, you do not get the cash then and there. The cash you only get after you process the immigration. You need to look for another cash counter where you get the cash. The process of the VAT refund is very simple. The retailer can give you the VAT-free sticker within 2 minutes. But one thing is the bill amount you need to be at least 250 dirham or above. Now, who is eligible for VAT refund? To avail this facility, you should be 18 years old and you should not be the resident in the UAE. How much you will get back? You will receive 85% of the total VAT amount paid. This is basically for all the tourists who are coming UAE and want to buy some golds, electronics and makeup items. They can get this 5% refund. In case you need to know more information about VAT refund in UAE, you need to visit this website www.planetpayment.ae. So friends, please like and subscribe our channel Couple on Wheels for more informative videos like this. Thank you.